Okay, it's another episode of Stardew Valley. Okay,
Cringy.
like, fuck me. I don't know how to start these things. Just stop. Oh, it takes one for an Inca.
If I was an Inca.
Wait, for the quartz, are you still doing it?
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
Okay, good.
Stardew Valley, Stardew Valley,
Crystal,
Earth
Stardew.
crystal, I gave you
Oh
my
yeah,
heart.
Kevin, can you start making the cheese presses?
What? Oh, what do I need
Cheese
for that?
pressers? I don't
Crafting.
know. 1 to 39.
I need...
I mean, we need cows first, because we need the.
I need copper, hardwood, stone, and wood. I can start getting the hardwood, but that's it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, no, wait, no, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, well,
Yeah, let's
never mind.
just sleep. I'm gonna mine first though, and then I'll come back.
Everyone just sleep.
Wait, I wanna mine.
Mine diamonds. We have 3 refined quartz so far.
Keep going. What are you doing?
Can we speed sleep so we could just get to the next season, please?
We wait for Eli to come back.
I want to find at least one earth crystal.
Calling an early night.
Where are they? Get away. Oh, that's a lot of quartz. True.
Stop.
It's okay. Do whatever you want.
Yo, can you get sleep so we can...
Wait!
season?
Wait!
Oh my.
Wait.
I want to find one, and then I'll get out.
Nope.
Finally! Okay, I'm coming back. Wait.
Oh my gosh, hurry up.
Oh, train's passing by.
What? Wait, what?
I didn't get the notification.
What?
It said a train is passing by for me.
Go, go, go.
I
Go to
did?
the train. Ah, for me it did.
Wait,
Not
wait
for
me.
us.
Not for us? Oh, not for, yeah, no.
Or
Connie,
not
you
for
just got
me.
it.
I don't
Not
know
for me.
if Kevin found it.
Refined
Saw it.
quartz. What do I do with this?
I'm gonna look.
Oh, we're gonna make sprinklers out of those. Please keep them.
Can we all sleep so we could just move to the next
I'm gonna
day?
try to go to the
Yeah.
train.
Oh my.
Okay, fine.
I'm speed running back.
Thank you. I have so many quests. I have like 2 pages of them. No, I have 3.
We haven't done like none of them since spring, last spring.
I mean, when we were basically like really rich in this game, we just
We can just
just
block
finish them all
Mhm.
just so we can get the friendships up.
Friendship. Yes, yes.
Go to sleep.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
GN.
Logitech G Pro wireless.
Logitech.
That's a very cool mouse.
Okay.
Okay.
A new day, a new me.
New day, new me.
Is it sunny today?
Yeah.
Great.
I got up early and fed up all the farm animals. I hope that makes your job a little easier. Oh, let's go.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
All right, I'm just gonna collect the.
What?
Look what it's in the chat. Look what it's in the chat.
Oh, they're feeling.
What? Okay.
Read it,
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you found a star drop.
From where? Oh, did she give you one?
Yeah, I think.
Ooh,
I'm
lucky.
evolving.
1080 great.
Your mind is filled of thoughts of.
Yeah.
I could just imagine that.
No, I just got that message.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I have unlimited power. I have unlimited power now. Let's go.
Wood, stone, and copper. Bruh.
I'm fishing the floor.
Stop. Wood, stone.
Stone. Can we please sleep again?
Wait, not yet.
Oh, you're doing your daily dose of.
Just
Yes,
the
yes.
point, the talking points.
Oh, you're at that part. You're in the event.
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. I was
like
about to
talk.
say.
What are you doing? Copper.
Yo, what are you doing, Eli?
Making another mayonnaise maker. Winter seeds. I think we can plant. Can we plant winter seeds now?
Yeah,
Or
well, it's
does
winter.
nothing grow?
Try it.
I'm gonna. Yeah.
And it's called winter seeds for a reason.
Okay,
So.
come back.
Chill.
Oh, I saw worms. I see worms in the ground. How do I get them?
Hoe. Your hoe.
I don't. Oh, sure. Here. Got it. Alright,
Just
clay.
kidding. I'm gonna do stuff. Do.
We could go to sleep early so we can just keep on going to the next day, and then next day.
I'm gonna go foraging and then I'm gonna come back.
No, just come back.
Eh. Am I muted, Con? Kevin?
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Doggo.
Wait, go on and try to come in my house.
Okay. My. Stop. Move. Up. Haha.
What'd you do? What'd you do with it?
I moved.
Oh my god. This shouldn't be a thing.
Hmm. Can you move everything else?
Yeah, just don't.
Hmm. It's done.
Yeah, can you come back? Because we're just gonna sleep now.
Mm.
Can I move this? Oop. Can I rotate it? I can't. I can't pick this up. Why? Okay, time for sleep.
You just add the mayonnaise machine again. Hi, dog. Move. Alright, Kevin, sleep. Or whoever is not.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yep.
Hmm.
Ow.
Boom. Bo-da-da, bo-da-da, bo-da-da-da-da.
Got some neutral luck today. Oh, nice weather.
Wonderful.
Mail,
weather
mail,
will
mail,
happen
mail,
today.
mail.
Oh wait.
I've
mail.
got an unusual request. Could you keep this a secret? Amethyst to Emily. Sure.
What?
I don't know. It's one of the. It's a quest.
Oh, they're okay.
Oh, or quest.
Actually, Con, do you want to do it? Can you go to the chicken coop and do? Okay.
How do I feed
Yeah,
them?
I'll just go with you.
What do
So
I do?
first, collect all the eggs. The
Oh.
eggs. Just right click
Oh,
them.
I don't have any inventory space. Wait. Okay. Hmm. Up.
What are you doing?
Oops. I got
What?
some of them. I got two of
Yeah,
them.
the eggs, bro. It's
I
okay.
got two of them.
Alright. And then you right click that, trough, and then you just feed them.
I
Alright.
don't have
let's go.
inventory space.
It's okay. Yeah?
Stop. Did I sell the eggs? Or
Alright, wait, give them to me. Yeah, my teeth did change a lot.
Yeah, sure.
What?
I picked them up.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you, thank you. What are you doing?
Wikipedia.
Oh my gosh.
1v1 me, 1v1 me. Oh my god!
What did you do?
Get him, boys.
I'm gonna.
There goes all the rocks. Does he hate me now? Oh no, he still loves me. I'm out of ammo. I ran out of 90 stuff.
90? Oh.
Okay, let's
Damn.
sleep. Everyone sleep. Everyone sleep.
Wait, let me donate to the bundles.
No. No.
Okay, fine.
Wait, how much? What else do we need until we can expand the houses?
No,
need
no, we
10K
can't do that.
gold.
We can't do it. We have to do the vault thing.
No,
What?
not
I don't-
vault. We need. Oh,
That's
yeah,
what
yeah.
That's what I want to know. What is that?
What?
So okay, so it's one of the
Oh, here.
bundles in the
Yeah,
community
yeah.
center, right? And then we gotta pay over $42,000 to unlock the
No,
bus.
just
which we can use to get
42,000.
No, it's like 42,500. But
Okay,
like
okay.
we
Who's
use
gonna-
that to unlock the bus so we can go to the desert and okay. Start sleep.
Oh yeah, yeah. Once we get to the desert, then we can start buying like like the is it the star fruit or what do you call it?
That's summer stuff. But yeah, let's start. We can start doing that later. Queen of Sauce Sunday.
Mail.
Oh yeah, yeah. I just
Oh,
forgot.
Plum pudding.
Festival of Ice. Tomorrow.
Yo, nice, nice.
Plum pudding.
Sounds good, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, there's a fishing contest tomorrow. Who wants to win it?
You guys.
We can all participate. No,
No,
this-
no, 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 no,
no,
no.
no. We're all doing
Fine.
I
it.
don't have a fishing rod. Where's my fishing rod?
I'm pretty sure they give you one.
What?
Oh, what?
Oh,
Cutscene.
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 Pierre, hello,
Kevin.
bruh.
Keep buying seeds for me.
Toss this
Oh,
product to the
okay.
next one.
I'll be
More
selling
seed
new.
varieties.
Let's go. I think we should make we should do a mega farm. You know,
Make a.
Yeah,
Meaning
no,
that
that's
farm.
I'm planning. I'm That's in my head. We should try
because we're gonna get sprinklers or whatever, so we don't have to freaking
Yeah.
do all of it.
I need a fishing rod. Where's mine? Oh, I might be at
We
the
gotta
cave.
refine more quartz and iron. But for now,
I'm at 3 hearts now. I'm at 13 hearts. 13 hearts. 13 hearts. 13.
13.
need how many?
One more.
16?
One.
Oh,
No, I need one
14.
more. One more.
Until what?
Until. What do you mean until what?
What do you get at 14 hearts?
A slave?
What?
No, baby.
Oh, okay.
What did they do?
Mm-hmm.
Move. My dude, you gotta go to a river or lake.
Yeah, I know. Just
Flint's
hoping.
attempt to bring Emily and Amethyst. Okay. I'm coming.
Oh.
Actually, you know what? Fine. Who's gonna win it? Festival of Ice.
Should we just
Me?
compete against
Me?
each other?
Okay.
Me?
Oh.
Oh.
Say compete against each other. But okay.
I'm looking forward to making a snowman tomorrow. Me too. That's gonna be fun.
Okay, can we just sleep so we can move on?
Yeah, I'll
Yes,
run
dude.
over. Yeah.
I'll get a drink. Be right back.
Okay, I'm running back. I'll be home soon. My hard work will pay off.
What do you mean?
With my mayonnaise. Because I'm
What do
gonna
you mean?
sell it right now. And you're gonna see how much good money we're gonna get.
Okay, roll.
I'll sell the eggs too. I don't even. And this. Alright, let's see. Come on. It's been a whole month. Oh, yes.
That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot.
Oh, we made it 11,000. Okay.
Thanks to Eli.
Nice, Eli.
Eli will be the first to get a house.
Yeah.
Upgrade house.
Yes.
Or second first, because, me here. I had to do that just to...
It's like
My goals are beyond your understandings. Eli.
Hello?
Press okay. Eli, press okay. What are you doing?
Wait, I had to use the restroom.
What?
I was so excited.
I had to use the restroom.
And then she's to tell us, like, what if a fire would happen, Like,
But we were in the OK screen, don't worry. I think we have enough now. Or wait, we need like a couple. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
just go and pay. I'm gonna just go over.
No, wait, we need more. We need more, right?
I'm just
Is
gonna
the
search
event-
it up.
When
Wait,
does
it's the
it
event. The
Uh,
event today. The event's
Oh
today.
yeah.
We can't skip sleep.
When does it start?
We need. Oh,
I need
only.
give Penny a gift.
Yeah, 42,500. That's how much we need.
Here, we should just sell everything we own.
Mm,
We just need 200
no,
more.
no, no. We just
Oh,
need
we need
1,200 more.
What do we
Yeah.
need? What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? We have starfruit seeds already. Who got that?
Not me.
Oh, I think yeah. I swear I wasn't gonna say it me. Don't worry. I'll
You're
use
gonna
on.
keep
Not
them for
me.
yourself.
What? No. I'm not that selfish, bro. Okay,
Are
let's
you,
go.
bro? Are you sure? Like,
No, I'm not. I'm not sure.
Where's
Yeah,
the
we know.
festival?
Town center.
Okay.
Let's go.
selling everything I can find.
we I need to give a gift. So
Weewo. Yo, do the Weewo thing. Do the Weewo thing.
What do you mean? I don't know what you mean.
Where is it? Wait, oh, it's by like the. Wait, let me check.
Check it. Frozen.
Oh, it's just at the beach. At the beach.
Okay, let's
oh,
go.
it's at the beach. Wait. I need to give a gift.
What did I do though, Kevin?
The Weewo. Weewo. Remember, like when you're getting like when you're under stress in
Weewo.
R6, you say Weewo. You know when
I
you're
do
like,
that?
yeah, when you're in
Yeah,
a one
you
v five
do.
situation, you're like Weewo.
Oh yeah. Why?
Dude,
Why did I
do that.
remember that? Yeah. No.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Only under those
Do
conditions.
it. Do it. You're like.
No.
I
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm
it's
at 7
starting. Let's
hearts.
go.
I'm at 7
Let's
hearts.
start.
7. Nice.
Get to
nice.
8, and then you can ask to go. Never mind.
Where I go?
Wait, is it not? At the... What?
Where is it? Winter, Stardew Valley.
Oh, at the forest. My bad.
Hmm?
I saw water, and I was like, you know.
What? Dude. Can't.
That could have been a river.
Okay, bud. I can end Penny
Oh,
in a
maybe-
second.
Marnie's
Yeah.
bro.
It's starting.
Don't worry. It doesn't end. You know that, right?
Oh, okay.
Until
Oh.
the day's over.
Okay.
Yeah, we can literally just go at the end of the day, and we can still enter.
Eli, come on. What are you doing?
Okay, it's fine.
Hurry. Are you taking the long way? I swear, just go to the.
Yeah, I know. I just go left from
Yes.
from the
Yes.
ocean. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Let's go up. I see
Hi,
Penny.
Penny.
She's right over there.
Hurry up.
Wait for one more
Dang.
play.
Hurry up. Hurry up. What are you doing? Hurry up. Stop kicking the trash can.
I have. It's a bad habit.
Okay, where's
Yay.
Penny?
Yay. Christmas.
Wait, not yet.
Ice sculptures.
Where's
Hmm.
Abigail?
I'm just gonna start it.
No, wait.
No,
I
no,
got.
no,
I want
no.
to talk to them. Talk to them.
Talk to.
I'm talking to everyone I see in the site.
What kind of
Dude,
snowman?
look at
should I be?
this. Look at this. Come here. Look at Alex. It's
Oh,
Alex.
again.
We should jump him after.
Snowmen
Everyone get your
are
slingshots
okay.
ready. We're gonna jump. him.
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of snowman should
Yeah,
we make?
same. I got that too. Ah,
Alright, start.
Oh yeah.
sorry.
What kind of classic one? Yeah.
I did a funky one.
Funky Town. Oh.
Hmm.
Let's do this.
No.
Oh, it's just 3? Us
What?
3?
No. It's the other 3. You see the other 3?
Oh yeah.
Where?
Pam.
The other 3.
The other 3 guys next to the water.
Pam, Willie, and
Dude, hurry up on the dialogue. I'm waiting for you. Thank you.
I don't have. Oh, okay.
just press it.
Oh, hit.
I've just been getting garbage this whole time. I
That's what
can't
you
do
are.
this. No.
I got one.
Finally.
No.
Green
Oh,
algae.
no.
If you do max, it goes over. I can't fish. I can't.
Yeah, you gotta
I got
press.
one,
You gotta
I got one.
press it.
I'm getting garbage.
Oh, I got one. Perfect.
Perfect. Tom, can you let me
Perfect.
win? Because like last time, you know, like it's kind of toxic, bro.
Got another one.
Wrong way. I'm gonna try yours.
Piss off.
I'm going this way.
No. Wrong way. Ow.
Oh,
Con, let me win, please. Con, let me win. Con, let me win, please, please, please.
Up. Hmm. Okay, I'll throw this.
Oh my!
fish
Why
in
are we
here.
all at 3? I thought it'd be more different.
Put that 3. I threw 1 fish away, so I missed.
You can't throw fish away.
No, I mean like I just didn't catch it. So you
Oh,
didn't
thanks,
win.
Con. I appreciate it, Con.
Oh,
Yeah, why are you tweeting? Come on, come on. You've done this like a million times because you have like
No?
200 hours in this game.
200
Yeah.
hours.
Stop, stop,
I-
stop. Let someone else be the. Come on, bro.
Oh, okay. I don't like this fishing hole. This one's broken.
Okay, I don't know. Steal Pam's. Come on, Eli, stop, stop.
I got
Oh my
one.
God.
Fine.
Eli, stop, please. No, he saw Eli, please. I just no. Oh my, and you don't deserve this, Eli.
What is it? Why does it matter? We just need the
Cause you
reward.
want to what?
What's the prize?
200 hours. My man, you don't. No. You're dumb.
Same. Let's go.
They're getting removed. Bye,
Oh,
bye,
it's
bye. Say goodbye, everything. Else.
No, don't do it.
Wow, that's a lot of.
What? Why?
No, that's what he gets.
It's a fishing contest.
No.
Yeah, 6 slimy fish. What's the prize? What's the Oh,
Give me
Thank-
all of it. Give me all of it. Give me all of it. Give me all of it.
It's for fishing, bro.
I didn't win.
Give
It
me
was
all of
still
it.
Fun. Time to go home.
Okay, I'm just gonna take the hat. Okay, that's it.
No, no. Give me all of it.
Dude, you got the fedora. Come on, you got.
No, 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 no.
No, okay.
Time to
Wait, I gotta. Kevin, where are you?
Where are you? That's it for this.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me
episode
that. I
of
want that one.
Stardew
I want that hat. I want the hat. You can have the